Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 11. So the best way to start troubleshooting what exactly is the process that's consuming too many resources of your CPU is by opening up your task manager. And guys, in your task manager, just sort by CPU like this. And as you can see now that I'm recording a video, the OBS, which as you can see I have open right here, I'm talking. It's recording and stuff. It's obviously using most of my CPU resources. If you have anything else, right, you just search by CPU, search for a certain service or process. If it consumes way too many resources, you can either uninstall that program or just, figure out why it's doing that. Maybe some kind of sync is happening in place or something. And also something else I'll recommend. Go ahead and launch up a Chris Titus utility, which looks something like this. Let me drag it to the main window. So you go to tweaks right here in this section and make sure to set services set to manual. So all of the services that are not essential for the system to run, they will be set to manual and they won't start at your system start and won't consume the resources. And let me see, what else can we do? That's pretty much it for this one, really. And then when you're done, just press run tweaks here and it's going to do its thing. It's pretty easy. And also guys, so the temporary solution, if you don't want a certain process to run, say for example, I don't want this process to run, right, it's consuming some of my CPU, right click and just terminate it like this, and it won't be running anymore. That is it. Enjoy the guide and of course subscribe.